It's not fetish, that no fetish now. Abi. Okwe Igwe na ọkụ mmụọ. Hapụrụ m fetish ọkụ mmụọ ka mmeje. Ndị ọkụ mmụọ ọkụ nwere ya nọ n'ọkụ mmụọ. Iwe mere bụ na ha kparaba nkata. After all, ndị nnukwu mmadụ ga-afụ n'ọkụ mmụọ ya, ndị obere mmadụ nnukwu mmadụ nọ n'eluigwe. Ihe dị ka Hitler ha. Ọ ebe ha ga-afụ ha. Anyị ejelaba ha mana ha ejelaba nna jebe n'eluigwe gị ọ bụkwa by force. Ya kpakwa je n'igwe gị ya dọkpụ n'aka je. So ọ bụrụ na ihe na-eme fetish hapụrụ m fetish m. Allow me to fetish my fetish. Is it not my fetish? Is it your fetish? His Royal Highness Igwe Ofobuike Ezoke Igwe Amichi.
Igwe can you find a member?
Tata wo 10 years sala. I na agba sala every 10 years. Na Amichi. Ihe ji eme ewe ji wee lote na onye nwoke na-aza Amichi o gburu elephant. A great hunter ka ọ bụ elephant na mbala n'ụwa. So ọkpọ ụmụnne si ha bịa. Na ya gburu the biggest animal, an animal ahụ ya gburu elephant. Na enyi ka ya gburu. Ụmụnne wee sị na ha ga-eje ka ha celebrate with Ichi. Na amabe o ji wụla ama Ichi. Amichi. Aịbụta.
So the name Amichi ebe akosi.
Amichi ebe ahụ kosi. Na ama ya ama Ichi. Ka abịa ebe a ka abịa ka ha celebrate with him n'ogburu enyi. I will be able to celebrate with him. So every 10 years, ụmụnne ya gbakọrọtakwa na be he celebrate kwa n'ogburu enyi. So from that time, we gabazie anyị na-emezi every 10 years. Mana enyi adọrọzi na ebe ka ifuru enyi bụ endangered species. So anyị na-ewerezi efi. So ebiazi decorate efi ga-efi ga-ama mma eti ya lipstick, ti ya tangere, ti ya yere ntị.
Efi ka emeni na
wekpufe egwu esi ma wee gaa na na-akụrụ egwu na-akụrụ egwu wee pụọ na eke Amichi. Anyị jechazie na eke Amichi agbagotezie ya bịazie n'ihu eme ebe ọ bụzie merriment.
Igwe last time you spoke Igbo, sura if I know Igbo. This guy is not Igbo. Can you speak Igbo? I said you can speak Igbo.
Yes, of course. Of course, we can speak English and Igbo.
Okay, then tell me more.
Yes. So this is a celebration that we do here every 10 years. The man called Ichi killed an elephant. He was a hunter, so he killed an elephant finally. That was his biggest catch. So he celebrates that with his brothers, Okotu brothers. Every 10 years, they will assemble here to celebrate with him. So this is what we are commemorating today. But we cannot kill elephants anymore because they're endangered species. So in commemoration, we use cows, and then we decorate the cows. We put the cows clothes on the cows. We put makeup on the cows, and then we parade the cows all the way to St. James, and then we parade it back, and then we come here and celebrate. If you're over 60 years old and you're a woman, you can parade a cow.
Okay.
If you're over 60, children buy cows for their own parents.
So are you saying that this is not only happening in like in palace, like everybody in Amichi?
No, everybody is a celebration for the whole town. It's not my celebration; it's Amichi celebration. Okay. I am just the custodian of culture and tradition, the Akajiofo of this town. So I have to be the originator. Everything starts from here, and then we go around, then we come back here, and then we celebrate. This is a celebration that lasts for, in the past, it will last for almost 1 month. Yes. So each village will kill their individual cows, and each individual who is over 60 years that paraded their cows will kill their individual cows when they get to the house, and then they can do their celebration. So it's a celebration that should last for 30 days.
Celebrated mass?
Yes.
And some people are saying that this tradition is not like mass is not supposed to be celebrated. Can you tell us about it?
No, mass is celebrated in everything that we do because we believe in Christ. I'm a Catholic. I believe in the Catholic Church, the communion of sins and the forgiveness of sins.
Okay.
Me personally, I believe in that. I will not force that on anyone because that's the essence of freedom of expression and freedom of religion, right? So that which I believe in, you don't have to believe in it. If you call that which I do fetish. Should I come? It's not fetish. No fetish now. Abi. Okwe Igwe na ọkụ mmụọ. Hapụrụ fetish. Okwe ọkụ mmụọ ka mmeje. Ndị ọkụ mmụọ, ọkwe nwere ya nọ n'ọkụ mmụọ. Iwe mere bụ na ha kparaba nkata. After all, ndị nnukwu mmadụ ga-afụ n'ọkụ mmụọ ya, ndị obere mmadụ, ndị nnukwu mmadụ nọ n'eluigwe. Ihe dị ka Hitler ha. Ọ ebe ahụ ga-afụ ha. Anyị ejelaba ha mana ha ejelaba nna jebe n'eluigwe gị ọ bụkwa by force. Ya kpakwa je n'igwe gị ya dọkpụ n'aka je. So ọ bụ na ihe na-eme fetish, hapụrụ m fetish m. Allow me to fetish my fetish. Is it not my fetish? Is it your fetish? So I don't know why where we argue about trivial matters and trivialities. We spend so much time on things that don't even make sense or something. I mean, spirituality is a state of mind. You know, God gave us the 10 commandments that we have to follow every day. And people abandon the 10 commandments and they are worried about which one is fetish and which one is not fetish. Obey the 10. I follow the 10 commandments of God as closely as I can. As closely as I can. And then people come in and they're telling me that parading a cow from here to a Amichi, that is fetish. Is it your fetish? Is it not my fetish? Allow it to be now. Can go. But go and go here.
People are not telling me fed in it.
I don't mind looking at last much. But they don't know. I can't come out my fear. I'm not about because all the but I'm not class in the market. We are just commemorating the 10-year anniversary of the day that the man called Amichi hunted his first elephant and killed the first elephant. And we are just commemorating that day for him. So please, let's not go from the sublime to the ridiculous, because we are going from the sublime to the ridiculous. Everything is fetish now. Yes. Amazon has a lot of fetish, and Amazon keeps so, but I believe the same now. I don't know. So, my prayers will always be for the betterment of this town, because I want success for us. I want the bickerings to stop. I want us to get together as a family, not as a town, but as a family that originated from one man, which is the Ichi, the original inhabitant of this land. All of us came through him. He's one of our ancestors, among others. So let us see this thing as something that galvanizes us rather than something that divides us. Okay, yes, of course. It's just that now I decided now I'm good the consideration of culture and tradition. And I get them our culture and tradition. Onyekwe. Just happen one. Tradition and culture. Is it not my fetish? No, the next 10 years.
Those who will come to celebrate with you.
No, I wish them well, that they will come and go in peace, and let them be here to observe the next one. Okay. And only on
You made it to my land. If you just come to my land, I'll sue
you. Yes. I don't care. As soon as you step one foot in my land, I'll sue you. Until they marry you, marry you. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yo.
Oh you know Igbo. Na English, na Igbo. It's all right.